Hello, good morning, good afternoon, everyone, and thanks for joining this exciting session featuring Teleperformance and NICE on how companies can contribute to the planet and environment. My name is Clémentine Gauthier. I'm the Group SVP of Corporate Social Responsibility at Teleperformance, so basically coordinating all of the social and environmental matters for the group. I'm here today with Olivier Jorlet from NICE, with the Managing Director of ASEAN, Great China, and Strategic Accounts. Hi, Olivier, and thanks for joining.
Hi, Clémentine. Very nice to be here with you today, and I'm really happy that we have this opportunity to discuss this very important topic you have suggested. So, yes, I'm based in Singapore and basically working with NICE, and we provide a cloud platform that serves basically the customer service organizations such as Teleperformance.
Excellent. Thanks, Olivier. So I understand that for NICE, the environmental topics are very important. Could you tell us a little bit more?
Yes, actually, it's a very important topic. For all of us, it should be a very critical issue because the environment is suffering, and we need to take real actions in order to rectify the situation. And that's the reason that at NICE we decided to invest a lot of the solutions to be supporting the cloud in order to allow basically customers to work from home, to work from from anywhere basically. And, I think also, Teleperformance is also, Clémentine, very, supportive of this initiative of the, especially in this time of this month of the Earth Month, right?
Absolutely, yes. We have a very big program called Citizen of the Planet since 2008 already, where we really try to do our best to reduce our environmental impacts. And we've really took strong commitments, especially last year, where we took some carbon reduction targets, very ambitious, validated by the Science Based Targets initiative, to try to keep the global warming below 2 degrees. We have also joined the Climate Pledge, which is a coalition of 200 plus companies, and we are collectively aiming at being carbon neutral by 2040. So hopefully this will make an impact as well. Basically, when we take a look at our impact, most of it comes from the energy consumption, right? So we are targeting two main types of initiatives to reduce this consumption. One is to try to prioritize as much as possible high performance buildings. So that's part of our criteria when we choose a new site or when we refurbish or remodel a site. We always try to implement as well energy efficiency measures and to raise awareness. So on a daily basis, everyone is also conscious of the impact of its behavior. And on another side, we are also trying to increase the share of renewable energy. To give you an example, from 2019 to 2021, so just in 2 years, we have been able to double the share of renewable energy used at our sites. So could you maybe tell us a little bit what NICE is doing? I understand you have quite ambitious programs as well.
Yes, thank you. It's really good to see that both Teleperformance and NICE are really aligned on this very important cause. And as you say, also we are also tracking our carbon footprint since 2018, and basically one we of course report, we support the remote workforce as a cloud provider and enable basically all the customer service representative to work from anywhere, right? And also I think during the COVID, we have also supported many customers to help them to move to the cloud and need this transition. And also what we do very much and what is important, we also use like data center suppliers who are also committed to use like renewable energy. And of course this helps to reduce transportation, to make the environment a better place, right? So yes.
Yeah, we also see that the remote work have a positive impact and help us reduce our impacts. We've been deploying quite fast the TP Cloud Campus, the work from home solution. So obviously the COVID-19 accelerated the deployment. And still today, we have about 70% of our workforce working remotely. So yes, I totally agree with you. It saves a lot of impact, and mainly the commuting, the daily commuting of our people, while of course giving more flexibility and balance between professional life and personal life to all of our people, which is another benefit.
Yeah. And I think that's also amazing that, I mean, of course, no one liked the COVID-19, but, this has also reset our way to look to things, and also, I mean, help probably to prioritize these initiatives around the environment, right? And basically to try to produce more with less, or to do more things with less resources. And therefore, as you say, like supporting work from home, and also in our case, also using the data center supplier who are, using renewable energy. And at the moment, some of the data center, one of the two supplier is reaching already 65% of use of renewable energy for their data center, right? And as you say, so I think as you say as well, so it's support like, more green building, and to take responsibility on the environment. I think is very critical.
Yeah, I believe you also have some nice initiatives to raise awareness, to engage your employees around environmental matters. How do you do that?
Yes, and that also, I mean, we have, I mean, especially in this month of the Earth Day, so we have also many activities like, which can be very simple, but, I mean, to encourage people to use, public transportation. Also, we were, engaging to, planting some trees and also being, cleaning beaches and all these kind of activities that also create, employee awareness. So that's what we've done in this month usually.
And do you feel your employees engaged? Do you see, probably, I mean, what we experience, for example, is that the young employees, such as millennials, are way engaged to these topics. Do you experience the same?
Yes, actually, I think the young employee is much more engaged than me, for example, a bit older. But and I really appreciate this, because I think the awareness will definitely be a very important, for all the organizations to help with the planet, because this is really, I mean, this is a threat for society, and therefore it needs to be treated very, very seriously.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's key, because we really believe that with everyone's daily gestures, it's one effort at a time, and collectively we can accomplish big things. So we definitely try to also engage our employees, organizing regular campaigns. For example, we participate to the World Cleanup Challenge every day, and we have employees from all over the world participating in campaigns to clean public spaces. In Indonesia, for example, there was a very nice campaign to release baby turtles, to plant mangrove. We have also some tree planting activities in Colombia, where there is a very big issue of deforestation. So all of these campaigns, I mean, of course, have an impact, and also enable to talk about these very important topics.
That's amazing to hear how you do different things in different regions across the globe, especially as a global organization. And I think we can learn a little bit from Teleperformance, being such a large organization, how we can also do things in nice. And yeah, generally speaking, I'd like to really thank you for inviting me to join this discussion with you, Clémentine. It's been really a pleasure, and I'd like to thank the audience who was with us today. And hope you can share some comments on what you have to say on this topic, because it's very close to our hearts, and we hope we can create more awareness around it.
Thank you very much, Olivier. The pleasure was mine. Thank you to the audience. Feel free to check on our website and annual publications to know more. And we're looking forward to another sessions. Thanks again.